Hi! In front of me is OPPO Find X5 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can set up app lock on this device. Start by opening settings and scrolling down. Now select privacy and click on app lock. Then tap on the switcher over here. If you don't have your privacy password set up already, you need to click on settings. Choose use a different password type and select one of those login methods by tapping on the best one for you. I will go with pattern. Then enter it and repeat it. After that, you need to select your recovery email over here and save it by choosing save. And then answer this security question. You can also tap on it, pick one of those, or create your own by choosing custom question, create net, then you need to save it by choosing confirm and answer it correctly below. Now click on this check mark at the top right corner and tap on the switcher next to apps that you wish to lock, in my case Amazon Shopping. So now when I click on this switcher and try to access my Amazon app, as you can see, pattern is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!